boys and girls, hello freshers, hello world. I am Mohammad Al Khalid and meet Steve. This is IIT Guwahati 101 where we talk about the life at campus. In the very first episode, we are going to talk about what you should bring and what you should not bring to the campus on your first arrival. It is often observed that freshers come laden with luggage to the campus. I, for the record, came with 200 kilograms of luggage, which was absolutely not required. So let's talk about what you should not bring to the campus. When you come to IIT Guwahati, you will find a marketplace set specifically to cater the needs of freshers. Here, you will find everything from pillows to mattresses, from mugs to jugs, and even bicycles, which by the way happen to be the most common mode of transport at IIT Guwahati. On a side note, you can get anything delivered from Amazon or Flipkart to your door. Apart from these, you can get a local SIM card and open a bank account within IIT Guwahati. Also, you get a furnished room, which includes a bed, a table and a chair, a cupboard, a tube light and a fan. So you don't have to worry a lot about furniture. You can find more details in the link in the description below. When it comes to what you should bring to the campus, you must understand the weather here. It's humid throughout the year, it rains frequently and unpredictably, also it gets pretty cold in the winter. So get your clothes appropriately and don't forget to get your umbrella. The list is mostly limited to documents required for your registration, your clothes and bedding. Also, don't forget to get your sports equipment or whatever your hobby is. You will enjoy it here at your newfound home, IIT Guwahati. And that brings us to the conclusion of the very first episode. Hope to see you here at IIT Guwahati.